Welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Ako sang videohan among food for dinner bago may mangaon. Yan, konti lang dahil wala kaming budget. Mahirap lang po kami, less fortunate. And then yung pang budget namin inutang lang din. Hindi naman lahat, pero yung iba inutang. Dahil di pa kami mayaman. Importante ay sama-sama kaming lahat kumakain during dinner. Of course, so pa may alas 12, di pa naman New Year. So maya, mayroon pang additional pagkain. Mayroon pang salad. So for now, yan muna. Ito yung cake ng mama namin, Mama Luz. Pero she's already at heaven. She's already happy at heaven. So we're still celebrating her birthday kahit wala na siya. No? Yan. Oh. So that's it for now. We will continue the video.